Salutations to my twins. Today we're doing spin the motherfucking wheel. We're on day 8 right now, so yeah, whoever we land on, we have to make a cover art for. And yeah, let's get straight into it. So we got the wheel right here. We're gonna, we're gonna right click and we're gonna hit spin. Let's see who the fuck we get. Okay, we get protect. So I mean, I guess we could do like just some randomized like creature, I guess, and then just this border. So we're gonna create something like this. I might have to go ahead and like draw it in like on a page or some shit like that, and then scan it in. But yeah, we're gonna see what happens. Alright, so I went ahead and got some pictures here. Now these are just randomized pictures I got off Pinterest. I literally just went down a little rabbit hole of shit that I thought looked similar to, the original. Obviously we're gonna put like effects and shit on these. So we're gonna have to like go through like I really like this one. This one's pretty cool. But we're gonna, AI this shit, and we're gonna make this shit obviously come out this one frame. Alright, so this is pretty decent. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I fuck with this. We're gonna remove the background on this, some shit like that. Pretty fucking cool. I really fuck with this color though. This is a cool ass like color. Let me do like a black border like this. Make a little selection here. We're just gonna do like a black border like that, and we'll put him inside of the border, and then we'll squish this shit down just like that. And now we got this border here. We'll even clip them in there, and we'll just bring the border in like this, and now we got him like that. So already this is looking pretty fucking fire. I fuck with this already. Shit, we could put him in here. It's like some Satan shit. I don't even know. A little sacrifice. Hey, I don't condone it, but I rebuke it. Yeah, we'll put this in here. Kind of like behind them. I have this one over here. It's like her head. I don't know. Hey, that's pretty sick to me. We're gonna go into maybe threshold. Let's see how that looks. What if we just get rid of all this? We just keep this, and then if we duplicate this, mess around with it so it's like only the color shown. Oh no. I'm gonna go ahead and work on like a border real quick. So we're gonna grab the pen tool. We're gonna make some shit like this. All right, like this is very delicate and very in-depth. Make a selection. We'll see how this shit looks. Probably like shit, but hey, you gotta do some shit, right? Yeah, I'm gonna just draw this out. No, I'm not the best drawer either, but it is like more, it's easier. It's just easier to draw it in and bring it back in. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, so we got it all in. I made these little sketches here, and yeah, we're just gonna try and see how the fuck we can use these. We're gonna make this shit darker, and we're obviously gonna go in, we're gonna trace these out and just create like a a little sick kind of line here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna fill path. We gotta make a new layer. We're gonna fill, or we're gonna stroke the path. We'll use brush. We gotta make sure our brush is black, and we have to make it really hard to make this really small. So how big do we want to pause? 6 should be fine. 6 shall be fucking fine. We'll put the brush, and boom, we'll delete the path. See how it looks now. Pretty decent. We'll go back in and we'll all right. Now we're gonna fill everything in like purple maybe. Well, we'll put it to red first, and then let's just see how this should look. We'll have it like right here in the corner like that, and we're gonna like flip this shit around. So we'll pull horizontal. We'll just do this shit, just make like a nice corner. We're gonna get rid of it. Basically we're just gonna like create some sort of like illusion, I guess an illusion. I'm not too sure what the fuck you'd call it, but some shit like that anyways. But yeah, we're just gonna fuck around, see what happens, try and make something fire. If not, hey, at least I tried. Okay, we're getting there. We just have to fill in this face here. Some shit like that. Get rid of over here. We just bring it down under shit like that. Now we're talking. Flip vertical, bring it down. Have it right there. Right, now we got some fire ass shit. I fuck with it. But yeah, we're gonna put this to black and white. Put threshold on it. I kind of fuck with that already. Some shit like that, but I want to add color on it, obviously, so. Some shit like that. Hey, shit. Okay, tough. Now, I want to change all this, though. I feel like, if we just put a hue and saturation on it, it should all blend together, so I want to make the border purple. And then, like, whatever else comes from that. So, purple and pink. Some shit like that. Maybe you just gotta add some more shit onto it. Like, if we had this. And we mess around with, like, the blend modes. Oh, wait, that's tough with the girl there. Okay. Okay, tough. Man, it doesn't, like, really make any sense. Like, this is just, like, whatever looks kind of cool. I'm gonna drag this into my ultimate adjustment pack. And, yeah, we're just gonna get some crazy ass looks here. If you guys do want to go ahead and check the ultimate adjustment pack out, I'll leave a link down below. You guys can check it out. We have a BOGO going on. This look-y hard. I kind of fuck with these, even though they turn it to blue. I kind of fuck with it. I'll have that one in there. Oh, I fuck with that. Oh, I fuck with that. Oh, I fuck with that. Oh, the pink and the yellow kind of hard though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. The yellow. Oh, the pink and the yellow. Oh. What do you guys think? I mean, this is like the most like important part. I feel like this is more like summer, like 500 days of summer. Or am I tripping? So we're gonna control G this. We're gonna group it. Then we'll just merge the group. And we will hide that one. And we can just reposition this as we want. We're gonna add our parental advisory in here. We'll put the... Hey, I've been fucking with this one a lot. I've been using it in all the covers, I think, so far. Bro, I like this so much, bro. I don't know why. Do not know why. It's the retro one, if you guys are wondering. It's the retro 1990s. So if you just look that up, retro parental advisory, this will pop up. But yeah, that's, you know, a little quick kind of cover here in the style of this. Now, it's not obviously perfect. It is very like much distorted, but I really do fuck with this effect. This kind of look. I feel like this one is way more like detailed, way more it's probably hand drawn, to be honest with you. It's probably hand drawn, but no, I'm not going to be sitting here drawing this because I'm pretty shit drawn. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this motherfucking video. If you guys did, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and yo, peace.